Morning. Right, I finally got my book I ordered off Richard on his Facebook page. Just got it just before Christmas. Um, yeah, he's personalised. He's signed it for me. He just basically just talks about what he does on his farm from year to year. From January through December. Just have a quick through the book. There he is, and then there's his dad, and he's an icon to me. I love him. I watch all his videos, and he's the one that sort of got me putting my YouTube videos up online. Obviously, they're not as good as his. I mean, in January, milking in the snow, which it snowed bad a few weeks ago. Just basically day-to-day life on his dairy farm. Look at that, poor cows, you can't even see them. They're all covered. Bloody hell. God. There's cow shed. Obviously I'm familiar with all the pictures because I've been watching all his YouTube videos. And the cows eating the silage. Yum, yum, yum. We're still in January. Good old muck spreader. Marshall muck spreader. Got one of those on Farm Sim. Got one of those tractors on Farm Sim. March. We've gone through January and February. March. Him fixing his building the trees. Bit of rolling, bit of fertilising, spreading. I haven't actually read the book yet, but I will do. I'll read it in a nice hot bath. Freeze branding the cows in April. There we go. Bit of ploughing. What's that? I think they're contractors that come in to do some of his work for him. And that looks like the family. Lovely field with buttercups. I'll have to read the book one day and then talk you through it and everything. I'm just basically flicking through the pages. Fetching the cows in on a nice warm hot day. And the cows in the milking parlour. The family. I think that's his brother, I think. Yeah, well, it would be, wouldn't it? And the cows in the parlour getting milked. 6 at a time. Nice beautiful house. And we're into July. A cow giving us a cheeky smile. I've got one of those on Farm Sim. Small round bales. Square bales. Bit of tedding, bit of baling. Where are we now? Bit of ferreting. I'll drop my phone any second now. Into September. Yeah, I shouldn't really do this one-handed, but I've got no other way. It's orchard. Forgive me, I'll have to do another video. Cows having scrummy silage. New baby calf. Where are you? Calves having a feed. I'll be going to feed my calves a bit later on. The old Getting amazing for the cows. It's a nice beautiful view, that is. Nice beautiful view. This is it Barclay Hunt going through his farm? Yeah. Feeding the cows in November. Where are we now? That's what I think that's when it flooded really bad. Yes. God. You might look at that. Old Massey Ferguson. T3 TE20. I'm going back in November. I think it's December actually. And there we go. Lovely book, well worth the money. I think there's a t-shirt that you can get online as well. But yeah, a year on Richard's farm of his daily duties. Like I say, I've had a quick flick through it, but I haven't had a proper read of it. Cornock family at the house farm in 1887. No. Introduction. Typical small family-run farm, dotted around in a Severn Valley. House farm. Yeah, basically just wanted to show you the book that I've ordered off eBay. Like I say, I'll have a proper read of it in the bath. Yeah, so there we go. Well worth it. And well, you know, he signed it for me. I hope he actually, you know, signed it. You know, actually him, like. Yeah. Been literally watching tons of his videos. It's just amazing. Dairy cows. A breast parlour. I think he's got about like 70 cows or so. But yeah. Well worth it. Right, I'll leave it there.